amongst the wreckage, he spots simple details in the construction of these heavy slab-floored buildings that led to so many deaths.
Hey, Brittany. Ooh, get it. Let her get it. Get it, Brittany.
And the floor was just shut down, squashing everything in between. And there are thousands of buildings like
The building's reinforced concrete pillars reveal why it crumbled during the earthquake.
If you look carefully, there's very little steel in this column.
You got it, Brittany? Brittany. Brittany, look at Mimi. Brittany, you got it?
The lack of robust steel
So give me that. That's mine.
concrete framework